Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Sway Ballroom Turn. Knowing how to do a sway already is really important. Knowing how to do a First Move Ballroom Turn will probably be really helpful as well. So I'll put links to both of those things in the description below, so if you want to go back and have a look at that, it's going to be easy for you to find those clips. But moving on, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard sway. We go right to right, we go back, we go wrap, we pick up the hand. You can do it without, but it's easier with. We sway the lady back on the right, the guys step back on the right as well. Okay, so that's our setup. From here what we're going to do is we're going to go forwards, but we're going to be turning to the right as we do it. So we step forward left, we step back right, keeping turning to the right, we step forward left, we step back right, and then there's a kind of pause as we just put a little bit more sway back into it before we send the lady away, letting go with the left hand, switching hand or not as you come to face, return and back. The hand change is purely down to whether you need that hand next, and I'm doing it so I'm still facing you guys. Okay, so let's do it from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, sway back 3, we go left right on 4, we go left right on 5, we then get the additional feeling of sway back on 6, so there's no actual movement from the point of view of having to take any steps. We send the lady away 7, face 8, return 1 and back 2. So let's do it together. Here we go. And obviously if you need to go back and do it a few extra times, do just rewind the clip. So here we go. 5, 6, sway, ballroom turn. We go a back, wrap, back, turn, turn, sway, away, switch hand or not, return, and you're done. And that's it. Quite nice for certain styles of music. Not so good for some others. Okay, so it's a case of do it when it feels nice. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Thank you everyone who does that. Press that button, and the notification bell will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.